Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Mama. Today we're going to our room accommodation for today para sa preparation ni Teo's birthday. Dito kami mag-prepare na ma-pictorial. And mag-proceed kami sa Young Avenue. Say hi, Mama. Fly kiss, fly kiss, fly kiss, fly kiss, fly kiss, Anan. Whose birthday today? Whose birthday today? Whose birthday today? Stay there. Kaya may mo kami na. Sa kapit. Ilabas mo later. Bye. I love you. Malakat na ito ba? Say hi! So, kaya ko kami isang kanan sa sinursan ng sa labas. So, makita ng layer. Ano? Toys na! Wala toys nga rato. May pa to si JJ. Hi! So, we're going to the venue na. I look pretty now.
Baby! Join na mo sa game. So, mag-eliminate sila. And then, for those na may kapag, sila naman ang party ranay.
Napunta na, ikaw mo ano?
So, ba nga, please your partner.
No!
Knees, hand, shoulder, knees, shoulder, hand, pop! Ako lang, hindi ko maganda. Palukaw niyo ang baso. Ako lang, ako lang pa. Hand, knees, shoulder, hand, knees, shoulder, hand, shoulder, pop! Ano ba? Join, knees, check. Okay? Shoulder, knees, shoulder, hand. Shoulder, hand, knees, shoulder, shoulder, go! Okay. Okay. Tuloy na naman ako. Head, shoulder, knees, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, go!
Nangangailangan kasi.
Kita halin
Sa out.
Ay.
Papay.
Ang Sailor Moon. Pati nga naman JJ yan. Diba? So, hello JJ. Ano to sa JJ? Ano to sa JJ?
Wala pa.
promise. Free. Ang pa ni Barbie pag ulan.
Uy, grabe ka.
Free accommodation sa Zuri Hotel. Nagwala ka ba ako sa sulod sa hotel? Sa sagwak, man ako matindog. Diba?
Yuki? Yuki?
First of all, I would like to welcome you all, and I would like to extend my deep and sincere gratitude for this event, for joining us in this event. To the Anas family, to the Pumigil family, to the Ikson family, to the University of Pumigil family, to my postcard family. Thank you so much for joining us in this celebration. This will be memorable para sa bata namin since natin yung kita ika someday. And thank you kid. Gamay na lang oras makakaamit. Thank you kami all.
So thank you so much, Daddy. Daddy, ano ni Teo, no? Daddy. Kasi mga so okay, to start our celebration, let's bow our heads for an opening prayer. So I call on Teo.
Wala word of wisdom. Ay, ako ba? So bale, wala na mga tao. Si nanay, sila na lang bili, nagbana to sila. Go guys, back. Okay na ito?
Siya 1 year old na siya. Ang kapaligo siya 1 month pa na siya guys. Hindi lang ko nung abibalaan kay big baby siya, no? Ang gahigda siya nga naka-summer drop is 7 months. May perfect score. Ay, hindi lang friend si Rudy Pag-win. So let's proceed to the next.
Set.
Ang may background siya na red, 7 months. Ano, may sigit ito. Ang nakaputo sa lampin, newborn. Wala, no? Ang kakulkol siya, si Tito ni Peter na i-pay ko si Daddy niya ni 2 months. Duwa na? Sige, tuwa, sir. Tapi ito, papaya na. So proceed. Ang kapungkol sa chair, 1 year old again. Yan ha. Ang kakadlaw siya, 3 months. Ang may baby sa mabaw sa iyang ulo is 6 months. Bingo. Be?
Wala.
Daw ka? Be, na pa ako, Be? May pandala ka sa ano dahil sa Manila? Charot lang. Be? 8, 2, 1. Oh, 1 month is i-consider ang 1 month sa newborn. Ay,
Lain.
Kaya imagine, bala guys. Bala, wala, mako bala. Ang newborn niya, do 1 month na, so i-consider na lang siya kuluhabi. Okay lang, so duwa na daog. So ako sa paborito ng tita ni Teo. Ang firm niya alang sa likod ni mami niya. Ang gabaton sa sipat. Charot na. Joke guys, wala naman question. Okay. Who chose the name of Teo? Sino ang nagpiling sa kanan ni Teo? Yes, ma'am. Hindi. Mami ano? Sino ang mami, ma'am? Charot na. No, wrong. Ah, yes? Wrong. Yes, ma'am. Doctor, ang mag-wine pack. Ang nurse pinatupan sila. So, sana, sir, next. Next on that, please. So, kinbasa ka lang si Teo. Ka lang, guys. Pagpito, tapos sana ka naman na basta si Teo. Yes, best friend. si Tayo sa PowerPoint. Iba naman labo. Gusto niyo? Gusto ka ba nakapakalimutan? Yes, madam. Apat. Hindi ko siguro apat. Babaw mo na. Babaw lang eh. So, bilang ang sa idalo ng ipon ni Tayo. Ano? Grabe ka naman yung pantay. So, apat sa mama. Pinanalo. Apat. Kapilan? Apat. Saan pala? Sigan mo siya lang. Madam. Yes, teacher. Wrong. Be sharp wrong. Kabuchi and dapat tuwagin ka. Will of the bus. Pinatay nila. Katahari ka. Alam tayo ang matay. Alam tayo ang masura. Okay. Ano? Ang favorite food ni Tayo. Yes, Yumi. Hindi na ako. Wrong. Ano ang favorite food na ulit Tayo?
Give chance to other naman dyan.
Wrong. Wrong. That's not okay. Yes. No? He likes to drink water, but he likes no oneself. Yes, sir? No! Okay, mami, kita dia.
Mama na! Mama! Makaan!
The right and correct answer. And then they allow to drink water. So, ano yung alawas? Kaya naman siya healthy. Pagkakas sa tubig. Si mama, yung mga isip yung tubig. Kaya ko naman sa tubig niya, mama. Wala na po yung out.
May problema ka sa akon? Kimchi and? Kimchi lang, anay. Ano pa?
Kimchi and? No.
Glow.
Alam yung close na gan is green. Lettuce? Babi green. Pwede ka yung pilar? Chok lang. Okay, ano? Kimchi plus one. Wrong. Kimchi and? Ano na masabi? Nabayabas. Naoy. Hindi.
Great na lang, great.
Ano perfectly, eh pwede na siya sa ginagawa sa kimchi. Lahat siya. Ang lahat siya. So kimchi ay lahat siya.
Sige, ba siya? Happy birthday, Teo!
Happy birthday!
Wishing.
Wish ko lang kay Teo, pagkakita sa healthy, and bukod ka ng pinangalaman. Thank you.
Play the music, and while the music plays, guys, so we need to sing a song, a happy birthday song to our celebrant. So 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
This is a message for my son. Kay ang manigay so i-record kay from a document. I know daan sa amo na agi so gina-document kay I know sa mag-abot ya price kay Gigi nga age. Pangitaan na po sa video kung anong ginograph sa birthday niya. Like Gigi nga balik-balik kanya ang first birthday niya. So, this past years, a positive pregnancy test certified me pero ano ako nga, ginakulbaan ako kung nakita ko sa panong sa pregnancy test certified me. You see, I couldn't let myself believe that my dreams might actually come true. The idea that I may not get the chance to feel you in my belly and hold you in my arms was almost too much to bear. But guys, si Teo is my rainbow baby. So, ginakulbaan din ko na pagkakapit ko sa pagbalan ko nga nagapusong ako. Basi madula ko na siya na depressed na ako. Okay. I tried to push down any glimmer of hope or excitement. Wala ako expect. Okay. I did not think I could handle the disappointment of another loss. The first time I went to the doctor to hear your heartbeat, I could not stop sobbing. The idea that something might have gone wrong brought me to the core. Then I heard it, the loud and strong song of your life. Your heartbeat was the most beautiful thing I had ever heard. After 3 months of bed rest, finally I set myself free to feel the joy, excitement, and redemption of your growing life inside me. I sang your songs, told you how much I love you, and explained how your loyalty could not wait to meet you. We share the news of your life with people we love, and they grow to love you with all their hearts. Your grandparents, your tito and tita, were incredibly excited to meet you and love the ultrasound pictures that I sent them after your doctor's visit. You have some looks and personality traits of your brothers, but you might hear your kuya all the time shouts, "Bata ko, mommy! Bata ko, mommy, ho!" Cause you like to give him some sweet kisses in his forehead. You would like to eat rice and of course, mama, water. My darling big boy, I am forever grateful for the privilege of being your mama. 2 days of labor, it's worth it because every time you smile, melts my heart. And your hugs remind me daily how lucky I am. This exact 1-year journey with you is really challenging for me to balance my business, my work, and my responsibility to be a wife and a mommy of 2. Hindi pa naman kumalag po sa padera. So I'm sorry, anak, if mommy needs to go to work, but thank you for patiently waiting for your mommy's day. I love you always and forever. I wish you a world filled with love, laughter, and countless reasons to smile. Stay healthy. Happy birthday, our little rainbow baby. Ay,
Raymond po. Diba? Namin sa video.
happy birthday.
already done. It's a blast day. So, here na kami sa hotel. Ma, open kami sa mga gift ni... Kasi na nag-gift?
Ako, no?
Oh, your name is there, huh?
When is my subscribe?
He already Baro lang kakatayo. That... Wow! What's that from? From... Tita Alice. Go. Kay Tita Lloyd. Wow! Mga construction na naman sila. That's from Tito Chad. This from is... Ano ni? Wala pangalan? Kaya tatago rin na eh. Open ni Zizi oh. This one kay Mama Liu. Wow.
Not for baby. Kung pumayag tayo ganun.
Not for baby.
Dad, hindi may siyo.
Ako na lang eh. Ako na.
Next, this is from Mama Lu. Open this one, Lizzie, please. Open, please. Wow. That's for Teo.
Next, let's see that.
This one. How about this one? This is from Mom Dexy. This is from Mom Dexy, oh. Open there. What's that? Wow. What's that? From? For? This one, oh, rin pa. I-open pa this one pa, oh. Rin pa. I-open pa, be. From Daddy Tata. Now, what's that? Sa?
Clothes.
It's a clothes. Next, ano pa? Di pa? This is from clothes again. That's for
What do you want, Kai?
this one pa kay Mami Chenny. Nakakasi mo siya. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Green baby. Good morning po. Wala ka dala si Mami Sampayo muna. I will still wear this one. Later, ma-check out naman kami. So today, ma-breakfast kami dugay. It's still raining. Kalawa isang chill po. No, tayo maita baby. Maligo pa niya mag-babysit pool. No? Ano yung frame? So, video na talaga mama. Ay, mat-mat-man. Oh, baby-si. Baby-si. Oh, mat-mat. Mat-mat. Kiss mommy. Play kiss. Play kiss. Play kiss. Play kiss. Play kiss.
Pagkasya na ba eh?
Naman na.
Ang nagtando kasi lumulong lang.
Ang ano?
Okay na tayo na stop.
Ang ano?
May Victor eh.
Kaya nga ginanuta ka.
This is an app. You're full? Din ta mag-go? Ha? Where we're going?
Kayo okay?
Oh, te. Ito yung Yuki ma-eats.
Hindi bang di ba? Busog mo sa? Busog mo sa, di ba?
Ito Kuya Yuki nga go na ka mo swimming. Dali. Go na! Run! 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 Yay! Let's go! Dala ang iya toys. Tuto dala iya toys yo. Dala mo toys. Tuto. Itong babaw isa pa. Siyempre pa naman pang sila. Di ka magigo ka? Di maligo? Oo. Happy day yo! Happy day yo! Happy Zizi! Happy day yo! Tayo! 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 It's open na. Kung you need it. Go na on it. Go na. If the elevator is not working, you will use the fire exit. Tayo! Mabayad. Pero lang mapulit na maagit sa dalibig. Kuwato tol yato ang duwak bilog. 707. Ito sa babayad daw. Dito pang Niki. Pagpadok at to.